So for many years now, all tech companies have had a huge recruitment challenge. Finding the right skilled people is really hard, and so the obvious solution is to actually train them up yourselves. So the idea behind the Digital Academy is that we really put a lot of emphasis on starting with what employers need and then work back from there, so that employers end up with better people working for them and people end up with better careers and better jobs.
Before I joined Headforwards, I was a manager at a donkey sanctuary, and I took a few months off to have a career break and did a lot of studying, looked into code and then applied for Headforwards, and that's where I am.
We've always had to take quite an innovative approach to recruitment, and part of that has been taking people without any formal skills and actually helping cross-train them into the tech sector. Because Headforwards is technology agnostic, meaning we work with lots of different programming languages and lots of different frameworks and things, we can provide that expertise and guidance to ensure that the training is going to be suitable for somebody going into a career, not just for the short term, but for the long term as well.
My time at Headforwards has really changed my outlook and given me a lot more confidence, and I've learned so much, and I have such a wide team with lots of different skills, so I've got to dip in and out of different types of code as well, so I've got to really get a nice broad knowledge of where this new career could take me. So yeah, it's just given me a great start in the industry.
So the first part of the Digital Academy is a sort of boot camp model, and that's a 16-week course that will allow people to do everything needed to become a software engineer. The other part is where we're actually looking to help businesses upskill their existing employees.
So it's important for businesses to make sure that their people's tech skills are up to scratch, because the people within the organisation often have access to a wide range of different tools and technology. Without the proper kind of training or even just awareness of what these tools can do, organisations could miss out on a whole bunch of value in terms of empowering their users and the people in their business to make the most of the technology. And the Digital Academy can really come in and help with that upskilling of users in the business to make the most of the tools that they have access to. It's also for individuals in the business who maybe want to explore a little bit more around technical roles. They might have a lot of industry knowledge and want to stay in the company that they're currently working in. And via the bootcamp, we can kind of help enable that by sort of fast-tracking technical skills training.
We've been trying to create this mix of industry and education in order to try and really improve how training opportunities can be constructed. It's the fact that you've got this sort of one concept that's going to benefit lots of different parties at the same time, and multiple winners.